She's not recording me. You're standing on public property, ma'am. You know that, right? This is public. This is not public property. So you're sending an officer? Because now she's recording me. I've asked her to leave and she's refusing. I'm not sure, no, but I'm pretty old to be doing this, so. Like 50. Heavy set. I would consider that. Some jeans and a shirt. She won't leave. Black. I mean, she's standing right here, so when they get here, they'll see her. Blue jeans, some rips in it, like she's 20. Absolutely do not know her, and that's why I want her off my private property. If you go anywhere, you'll be committing a crime as well. You know that, right?
Okay.
And do my work.
No, I refuse to.
Oh my God.
You're leaving. You're against the avenue. She's trying to leave. Yeah, the license plate number. The license plate in Brooklyn.